guys to e-learning skills, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut to make your animated intro. So let's get started. We'll open my Capcut tutorial app, and guys, you need just to use this knowledge to make your own intro. You can use any of the app that has similar features, or you can follow the steps that I'm going to show you to make your animated outro. So as you can see, I'm going to click on the new project. I'm going to choose one of the photos here. So we're just going to use this as a background. I'm going to click add. And then I want my intro to be like 10 seconds, so I'm going to enlarge this photo up to 10 seconds. This is 3 seconds, but I'm going to put it up to 10 seconds. Up to 10 seconds, that is it. Another thing that I need to do, I need to click on add text. I need to add text here. So let's say, for example, you're going to write the name of your channel. My channel is e-learning skills, so I'm going to write the word e-learning skills here. E-learning skills, like that. So remember, after this, remember this is a default font. You doesn't need to use it. You can use it depending on how, if you really like it or not. But this app has a lot of styles, has a lot of font styles, and that is why you doesn't just need to rely on one, but you can choose so variety of styles. As you can see here, we have so variety of font styles that you really need to download them and use them, and we have others that are already in use. For example, we have this Fetching, Pacific, New York. At your own time, you can try all these fonts and you see the one that will really like, you're going to use it. So I'm going to stick on this one, and after that I'm going to choose on style. We have so variety of styles that you can use here. We have this, and as I said, also at your own free time you can choose any of the styles that you see here, you can use. So I'm going to use this style here. Going to use this style here, and I'm going to enlarge my text a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to place it somewhere here. So another thing that we really need to do, we have effects. We have so variety of effect, but you really don't use to use them. You can just stick to the simple, but if you want to use them, you can use them. And then something that is amazing and something that I'm going to use is bubble. So you can click on any of the following, and the one that is going to impress you, you are going to use it as your background for your text. For example, if I click here, you can see how it appears. If I click this, if I click here, if I click this one, so we have so variety of these styles that you are seeing here, and these styles, they make the text look a little bit more beautiful. So I'm going to stick to the simple. I'm going to use this one as my style. And the last thing that we really need to use here is animation. So how is your text going to appear? That is another something that is very much important. How your text is going to appear. So let's say, for example, as I said, we have some variety of animations here, and you can choose any that you think it is really fitting for your channel. For example, like that one. If you want to choose like that one, I can choose that one. We have dissolving, we have clockwise, we have fade wipe, we have so many of them. So depending on which style, which animation you need, all of them are available in this app. So I will stick that one as a simple. I will stick to this as very simple, and I'm going to enlarge it up to 10 seconds. I'm going to enlarge it up to 10 seconds. I'm going to enlarge it to 10 seconds. and then I apply my animation. So here to animations, I'm going to go back to animation, and I'm going to increase my animation up to here. Or we can choose this one, we can use that one. Wipe right, and then we also have out. If for example you can choose this one as an out, or fade out. Guys, we just need to stick to the simple like that. So this text is going to appear like this, and then when it reach here, that is fading out. So apart from that, we also need to put animation on this background picture. So I'm going to choose one of the animations for the background picture. As you can see, we have so variety of animations here. So if I can choose this one like that, or I can choose this one like this, just need to stick to the simple, guys. As I told you, at your own free time you can try all of this animation and you see which one is best for you. And then I'm going to choose out. I'm going to choose an out animation for this picture. If it's this one, even I can just use out animation for this only. That is the best. Like that. You can use one. So after that, guys, another important thing that we really need to do is that we really need to add music and also subscribe button to this our text so that it may look much more beautiful. So how do we do like that? First of all, we are going to add an overlay, and that is the subscribe button for our text. I'm going to add the video, that is this one. Then I'm going to cut the part that I doesn't want. I doesn't want this part here. So I'm going to split, cut this, then I bring this to front here. And then I'm going to use this up to here. I don't need the rest. I'm going to cut, delete this one. Up to here. Then we need to remove the background, the green background. So how do you do this? Very much simple. Just need to click on your subscribe button, video, then come and click on the chrome key, then place this chrome key to the color you doesn't want to appear, like that. Click on intensity, then increase the intensity up to 100%. So when you play this video, it will be like this. So another thing that we really need to add here is that we really need to add music to our video. So how are we going to do like this? I'm going to click on audio, sounds, and then from my gallery I'm going to pick one of the songs that I'm going to use. So you click here on your gallery, and then from device, we're going to use this Lumiji Sweet Talk. So this I'm going to add here. So that is it, guys, and then you can cut this music because it doesn't need the other part. You can come up to here, this is the ending part, and then I can split and then remove the other part. So this is it. And also you can also add an animation to your if you really need to add animation to this your subscribe button, you can really also I can add animation here and fade out animation. I'm going to choose fade out animation, this one. Let's see, guys, let's play and see how it will appear. I think that one is not good. We can redo it again. I can just try to keep it as simple. Let me say fade out. Like that, or we can just leave no animation here. You can just say no animation. I think that one is better. So after that, just click export. The upward arrow, that is the download arrow, and then Capcut will download your video to the gallery, guys. So this is all how you can make your animated intro using Capcut app. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to my video, so that this one is going to enable me to create more of the videos and also to gain more of the subscribers. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe it, because it's going to be helpful to me. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.